Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying rights. Identify the copyright holder and the specific rights for that character. Once done, review existing licenses and whether your use is commercial, fan-based, or transformative. Make sure to request written permission if you plan to import official assets or monetize. If permission is denied, plan an original or sufficiently transformed alternative. Keep records of communications and licenses so you can prove authorization when uploading or distributing on Sora 2. Now import assets into Sora 2 using only items you own, licensed, or are permitted to use. Once imported, apply transformative changes, alter visuals, voice, context, or mechanics so the use leans toward new expression. Make sure you document every modification and retain source attributions in your project files. Once ready, configure in-game metadata and distribution settings to reflect licensing terms. This reduces infringement risk and helps you explain creative choices if a claim arises. Finalize by setting distribution and monetization consistent with permissions, then publish on Sora 2. After publishing, monitor for takedowns, DMCA notices, or platform strikes and respond promptly with documentation. If you receive a claim, pause disputed content, provide your license evidence, and open dialogue with the claimant. If issues persist, consider removing the character or replacing with an original design. Keep a remediation plan and contact info handy to resolve disputes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.